25 questions with Ajinkya Rahane.
A Mumbai street snack you would recommend that people don't know much about?
I think very hard to say that.
Any one street snack that you would want to make people in the world eat? What's your favorite?
My favorite is vada pav. Always.
If you had to design a comfort feature in your cricket uniform, what would you add to it?
Comfort feature. I think carry my bat wherever I'm traveling.
Okay. A bat carrier, an automatic bat carrier. Who's the best selfie clicker in the Indian team?
All of them actually. Nowadays everyone likes to click selfie, but
Are you good?
yes.
Yeah. What's the first rule when facing fast bowling?
Watch the ball.
A match from history that you wish you would have played in?
Match from history. I think Test match in Chennai against England when India chased 300 plus.
Who's the shyest person in the Indian dressing room?
Umesh Yadav.
If you were coaching children, what's your first batting lesson to them?
I think batting lesson, only advice I feel is, as a batsman, keep scoring runs and strive for excellence.
Is there a Marathi word you'd like to introduce into cricket's vocabulary, like how we got dusra from Hindi or Urdu? Is there a Marathi word you would like to introduce?
Marathi word, I think, kholla.
What does that mean?
Kholla means किसी को अगर अपने आउट किया, get him out. Kholla.
If you ran out Rohit Sharma at 199 when he was about to get his 4th ODI double century, what do you think he'll say to you?
Nothing, he'll just walk and like take care. Hota hai. Rohit is very cool and calm.
If you have to drop a player from your side, how do you break the news to them?
Just go up to him, that particular individual, and just tell him. It's about team, so.
Whose commentary do you enjoy the most while watching cricket on TV?
Definitely I enjoy Ravi Shastri's commentary, Amul Muzumdar.
Which app do you use most on your phone?
Hardly.
Any app? WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, nothing?
I deleted Instagram from
So
my
no app, there's no app that you use more than
nothing, I mean.
Not even
Only messaging. Sometimes.
Okay,
Sometimes, yes.
What's your favorite item on a breakfast buffet?
Breakfast buffet, definitely fruits and fruits I think.
What's the best way to get a kit bag into a Mumbai local?
Kit bag.
How best way to get it inside a Mumbai local?
Just keep your kit bag in front of you. You'll automatically go inside.
Okay, if you were in charge of nets for the day, what sport would you organize for your teammates in training?
In training, I think maybe foot volley.
What training routine do you find most boring?
Training, see, as a cricketer, sometimes you do certain things day in, day out, and you feel sometimes it's boring, but you got to do all those things every day. So
What is the
nothing
most boring
but
workout?
nothing.
Nothing. Not even in the gym. One thing in the gym that you find most boring. If a movie was made on you, who would you like to play your role?
My role, I think I said Amir Khan previously, but also Ritesh Deshmukh, being a Maharashtrian.
Who's the person you enjoy talking about cricket to the most?
Definitely, I don't discuss cricket at home, but within my teammates here, definitely I discuss with Amol, Zubin in Rajasthan Royals. Yes.
A shot that you think you play better than most other batsmen.
I think straight drive.
Which is the hardest country to bat in terms of weather challenges and conditions?
England.
How are batsmen cooler than bowlers?
How are?
Batsmen cooler than bowlers.
It's hard to answer actually this. You tell me.
Batsmen get more endorsement. Bowlers don't get anything.
Okay. We'll say that.
What's the most memorable spell of Shane Warne that you remember watching?
I think his spell against England definitely in Ashes, but I remember bowling to Andrew Strauss. Behind
his
is, yeah,
legs.
particular that, yes.
Or if Rahul Dravid came to you for batting advice, what would you tell him?
Let's bat together and I'll learn from you.
What's the biggest challenge facing cricket today, according to you?
Biggest challenge facing cricket?
Today.
I think challenge is to stay humble and respecting whatever you're getting, and still you're trying to improve as a cricketer and as a person.
How do you spend your time at airports when waiting for flights?
Just listen to some music, read
You got a preference, favorite music?
music, anything.